Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree and I went to Dollar General. So I got a little bit of both. So please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and what? Subscribe. Enjoy. Here we go at the Dollar Tree. You can't walk in the Dollar Tree without seeing the fall decor these days. So I thought I'd just take a little peek and see if there's anything either I haven't seen or maybe you haven't seen. So I'll share. Happy Harvest. I've seen the red one, but I haven't seen the purple one like that one. And they're changing these up every week, so always check back. And I did come in here for a few things, so I've got them in my cart, so I thought I'd show. This Himalayan salt, that's a pound, right? It's $1. I saw this at Publix the other day, 4 ounces for like $4. Okay, $4. So I'm stocking up on my canned goods because you know we're in hurricane season, so I always like to make sure we have plenty of canned goods in the household. So if you haven't, you need to stock up. And I just saw these ice cube makers here. I thought these were pretty cool right here. They had them in like a square shape. So they had different options, and they also had them with the round bottom as well. So I just thought I'd look at those. And here's the one thing I've never heard anybody talk about at the Dollar Tree. They have the best dishware, okay? So if you're looking at for dishware for the holidays, or if you want to do a 4 set or a 6 set for someone as a gift maybe, the Dollar Tree is the place to go, okay? They've got patterns, they've got plain white ones, they've got plain black ones, they got navy blue plates. So I just thought I'd show you this because I just have never seen. Look at this one right here. I love this plate. It's plain, it's simple, but it's got a different shape to it. So just an idea. Okay, to go with the plate sets, here we go. Glassware. They've got such a wide variety on the glassware at the Dollar Tree. I'm just saying, as a gift, this might be the place to go. Okay, here's my other favorite dollar store, Dollar General. And look at these solar lights in a mason jar. Is that not adorable? Just an idea. They're a little bit more, but they're very, very different. Okay, here's one of those yo-yo find. These are knee pads that I actually gifted to my sister's school because they were working on a gardening project, so this worked out perfectly for them. Okay, here's another item that's $1 at the Dollar General. It is the face mask. And you know what? Here's the thing. I come here, there's some items that are $2 and $3 and $4 that I buy here only because they give me a lot more quantity for that amount. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping here. Okay, here we go. Aquafina Water, name brand water, okay, at the Dollar General, okay, and it is a 33-ounce bottle for $1. 33-ounce bottle. And the other thing I come in for every week or two is the Snapple. So the Snapple bottle, the individual bottles are $1 as well. So I think that's a good deal myself. So, and they've got all the flavors. Okay, here's the thing that we come here to get: candles, especially lavender scented candles. I do get candles at the Dollar Tree, but for lavender scented candles, they don't have them at the Dollar Tree, and they're not big like this. So I will spend $3 or $5 for these size candles. Okay. Okay, I've seen these every week when we've come in here, and I love these knockoff Converse. Okay, they're $8. You know, I just can never find them in my size. But I just had to show them to you because I think, hey, $8 for tennis shoes if you've got kids, it's expensive. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, thanks for going with me to the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General. So please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.